Welcome back, leaders. Today, you're here because you want to know who your biggest and baddest enemy is. Well, I'm about to tell you. The biggest enemy and villain you'll face in life is no, it's not Thanos. He's dead, alright? The biggest enemy you'll face is you. That's right. The biggest enemy you'll face is yourself. Now, I don't mean like a clone of you, not that. It's actually what's inside you. Your mind is your biggest enemy. Let me explain further. See, this big ass boss in our heads has lots of henchmen, lots of minions that fight for him. Laziness, anger, arrogance, greed, pride, hate, lies, sorrow, self-pity, jealousy, envy, procrastination, instant gratification, and last but not least, ego. And these are the biggest and baddest enemies you'll have to face, conquer, and defeat if you ever wish to lead your life and be successful. And the battle against these henchmen, these negative attributes, is a lifelong progress that goes on and on. The battle starts from when the day starts until when it finishes. Goes over and over again. And what you do during the day, how you act, how you talk, what you think, determines whether you will get the upper hand in the battle or the lower hand. The only way to stop this battle is to win it. You can't escape it, you can't run around it, otherwise the enemies will get your ass behind while you're running away like a pussy. No, you're supposed to stand up and fight the battlefield, okay? The only way to stop it, well, you can't really stop it, but the only way to win over and over again is to face it and conquer it. So one evening, a grandpa was talking to his son about the battle that goes inside all of us. My son, there is a battle between two wolves inside all of us. It is a terrible fight and it goes on forever. One wolf is bad. He is anger, envy, sorrow, self-pity, arrogance, greed, guilt, resentment, hate, lies, pride, and ego. And then he continued. However, the other wolf is good. He is love, joy, peace, compassion, hope, truth, generosity, humility, kindness, empathy, and faith. The same fight is going on inside you right now and inside all of us. Then the grandson thought about it for a minute and then asked his grandpa. But which wolf will win, Grandpa? The one you feed. That's right, the one you feed. And this story perfectly describes what goes on inside all of us. Me, you, your parents, police, the teachers, everyone. And it describes how to win that battle that goes inside every one of us. Every single one of us. And the biggest victory you'll achieve in life is not money, it's not fame, power, girls, cars, mansions. No. The biggest success and victory you'll have is conquering and defeating your old self. Like in everything in life, you have to let things die in order for them to be reborn. You can't be reborn when you're still alive. And that's the same with ourselves. If you want to be reborn, you have to let your old self die. Yeah, I had to kill old Nana, but old school, you know. But yeah, it doesn't have to be as violent as that. But if you want to be reborn as a better person, a better leader, the only way is to kill your old self and be born as a better one. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got a lot of insights and information. And I hope you understand who your biggest and baddest enemy is. Don't forget to like if you like this video and subscribe if you found it helpful. And I think your friends or family members will find it really helpful and thank you later if you share it to them. I'd like to thank you again for watching my video, and congratulations for investing time into things that's gonna make you a better human being. Comment down below what you're gonna do, what your first step is to defeating your old self and to defeat that big bad boss enemy of yours. Now tell me, which wolf will you let him win? Have an awesome day, leaders. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.